Upside down.
I whizzed all the way. Run the wrong way!
Do you want a hand? You're an Phil.
It won't take you where. It will. It won't. It's going down. Hold the back a minute before I get on. No, put it back. Back! Right, so it's level.
I know what to do.
No, let go.
Let go?
Yeah.
Please don't go on your head.
You might have to help me up. Help me up. Help me up. Stop laughing. No. Parallel. Horizontal.
Horizontal.
How's your back feeling?
Bloody hurts.
Oh my God, what are you doing? Phil, this is far too dangerous. I've got pairs of glasses here, everywhere. And what are you doing?
No, not the forward.
What? And you said let go! I let go and that's where it went. I've let go! Where do you want to go?
You're touching it!
If I let go, it whizzes. You've got basically two minutes going, ah! And what?
Well, then you stay here for half an hour.
Yeah, right. He's got a broken wrist. He's lost his glasses.
Lost his teeth.
Lost his teeth.
Apart from that, what?
Apart from that, it's fine.
As long as this branch don't break, I'm laughing.
I should go round the front and get a picture of his front.
Well,
He saw something somewhere.
No, we used to have one like this at our... Hey? No, at our